Yes. Could you find out if that is a fault divorce, under divorce, or no fault divorce? Yeah. Because it can't be a fault divorce when your record is expunged. Pooch. It can't be a fault divorce. Now, I've asked the judges to remove their fraud. Yeah. Oh, look at divorce. The legal ending of a marriage, specifically the legal dissolution of marriage by a court. You know, divorce at Mensa et throw, yeah, from the board in hearth, yeah. Divorce, ooch, ex parte divorce, that's what we had. A divorce proceeding in which only one spouse participates or appears in court. Um, I would have liked to gotten notice of the court hearings, yes. An ex parte divorce can change only marital status. It does not affect in personam rights of the absent spouse. Now, a fault divorce is a divorce granted to one spouse on the basis of proven wrongful act. Yes. Now, obviously, it can't be a proven wrongful act of domestic violence and child abuse when my record was expunged. Although all states now have some form of no fault divorce. Yeah. Some jurisdictions still consider a spouse's fault in precipitating the divorce, especially when dividing marital property or when awarding alimony. Traditionally, the common grounds for fault divorce were adultery. Yeah. Abandonment. Did you say that I abandoned my sons? Imprisonment. I went to jail for 10 days because we were living at a hotel. Did 7 hours of parenting classes. Yeah. Didn't commit any domestic violence or child abuse. My wife was the actual domestic abuser when she hit me. Now, the Uniform Marriage and Divorce Act has abolished the defenses to divorce. Yes. Recrimination and insanity. She said I was crazy. She said I was crazy. Now, she abducted my sons. You. Let's see. Was it a fault divorce or no fault divorce? Well, I didn't get a copy of it. I didn't get any child support orders. I didn't get any alimony order. In fact, that United Nations marriage certificate that you said you could dissolve, pooch. Well, she issued it, yes. And then you had me arrested 4 days later. Poop, poop. And then you reissued the protection order while I was on trial right now. You see the fraud? Now I'm going to sue every civil rights coordinator right now. This is no joke, officer. I told you I wanted my sons, and I'm not motioning that fucking court. Was it a fault divorce or a no fault divorce? It was a fault divorce, wasn't it? She said I was crazy. You issued a protection order in 2011 without giving me notice or opportunity to be heard. You arrested me for the allegation of violating it when I contacted Healthy Families of Clallam County. You arrested me at the same moment as serving me the dissolution of marriage. You allowed for... Now remove your fucking fraud from the...